Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I am really getting into golf lately, and this set of golf accessories has been the perfect thing to add to my golf bag.
Even though I am a novice to golf, I knew I needed to have the perfect accessory kit for my golf bag. And this 11-piece golf accessory kit from Karamagic is exactly what I was looking for. It has a high quality brush with dual-sided bristles, a built-in pick perfect for clearing grit from those grooves, so that way every shot you make will stay crisp. It has tees to a towel, ball bag with a hook, ball marker, divot tool, and even a handy score counter. It is everything you need all in one stylish pack. Even my husband appreciated the quality of all of these items, and he is a long-time golfer. It is all of your essentials in one cute kit.
If you are looking for a great set of golf accessories, this is the one you should get. I absolutely love it, and that's my point of view.